So I take care of the birds too and everything. But there's this one bird. There are two birds actually. There's this one bird who's got like blue on his chest, and he hates my guts. I'm not gonna say his name. I don't even know his name. I may not give him a name because I don't want to see him as human because he's a bird. But anyway, he hates my guts. And I'm not good at reading like bird facial expressions, you know. So anyway, so he's like, I really can't do him because he's pretty much got the same eyes as the cichlid, only smaller. And he, anyway, he's all white, so you wouldn't notice him. And he's got like a blue patch right here. And he thinks he blends, but he's got this really obnoxious blue patch. Anyway, so every Monday, that's tomorrow by the way, I go in and clean their cages. So I gotta pull out the cage. When I pull out, you know, where they poop and stuff, and they're on the pellets, it leaves a little overture where they can escape. And so there's the one with the blue I told you about a few minutes ago. He always has a plan, like every week, of how to escape. And he's kind of got the same plan every week, but sometimes it's new. Like he's pretty strategic. And I always thought birds were dumb because they're always like, in YouTube videos, they're always like flying into glass and stuff. And so I get the glass real clean. I'm kidding. So anyway, he had this idea that because the tray pushed out, that he would keep putting pellets against the wall and it would keep pushing the tray out and he could have his escape. So, and that worked once. But see, when one of them escapes, like the blue one escaped once, and the yellow one I haven't even gotten to. I don't know how. He used to be cool, and then he got in with the birds with, you know, the bird with the blue. And they used to be together, and now they have their own factions. But anyway, so this isn't a video about the social relations of birds. I'm just telling you my conflict with them. Anyway, so he got free once, and I think ever since then he's gotten really clever. And what happens is, when they get free, like all the other fucking birds, like start like rooting them on, you know, like there's this bird right, and they're like squawk, squawk, and they got their fucking on the bars and stuff, and they're like splash, 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 and everything, and it's just crazy, and they're just fucking gnawing on their toys, and they're like spitting seeds. I mean, it's nutty, and they got the mirror so they can turn it so they can see down the prison hallway, you know, where all the action is going on, and the bird who's free is just like. He didn't know what to do. He didn't even remember how to fly. That's what I told him. Because I chased him around with this, you know, you look like an idiot. There's no way to catch a bird and, like, maintain your dignity, okay? So I'm like, yeah, listen to that. And going after him, you know. And he's flying around, and I finally stopped. And, because I had been given advice to let him fly around for a while so he gets tired, or pretend to chase him for a while till he gets tired, and then he's easier to catch, and you can do it without injuring him. But I forgot that advice, so I'm like, because it's less funny. So I'm chasing around this net, and then I finally stop, and I'm out of breath. And when I get busy and everything, my hair gets out of control. And I'm the only one who doesn't notice. So when I'm busy, I always look crazier than maybe I am. And so my hair is all pointed out, and I got this blue net, right? And the bird's like squawk, and he's hanging out on the outside, and the others, like I told you, they're going crazy. And and so I said, look, you don't even remember how to fly. I'm trying like a psychological approach. And I was like, between you and me, man. And they're squawking in the background, and we have a private moment. And I said, where are you gonna go? You've never been out there. You don't have friends. You don't have a network, man. All the birds you used to hang out with, they're not here anymore, man. They flew away. They're not gonna be there for you. You don't even know how to build a nest. You don't even have a nest. You know how to where are you gonna find a branch that you can screw into a wall so you can perch on it? The world is very different out there. It's not what you think. I said, listen, you got multicolored food here that nourishes you and keeps you entertained because it's got pink pellets in it. And you always eat those first. You're not going to find any fucking pink pellets in the real world, bird. And he's just like pounding his blue spot. He's like, I'll make it on my own. And I was like, no, you're not. 3 squares. I mean, you're not going to. Anyway, so I get him back in his cage, but he gets a new plan every week. So he's like, all right, she takes the tray out. Here's the plan. This is what I think his plan is, what I'm projecting for him. And so I pull out the tray, and he's like, all right, here's the plan. You go. He gets another bird to fucking do this. You go on one side, I'll go on the other, so that when she turns around and tries to block it, she has to choose one side to block. And then the other side is the one that'll go free. Whether it's me or you, that's fate. It all depends on that, right? And so he says, now we've got about, like, what was it, like 70 seconds for her to clean the tray. And because she's pretty quick. And so she cleans it off, she'll put it, we got 70 seconds to make this happen. And make it look like we don't want to escape so she can turn about. So anyway, so I pull out the tray, and they're busy looking casual, like they're just like non-seeds and just like finding something in their wing or whatever, they're playing it cool. But what they don't know is I already had the tray ready. So I bring it back and shovel it in, and they look at me like, you fucking bitch, and they're using all kinds of non-bird words. And you'd think they just tweet you this, it gets, when it comes right down to it, those birds will use some fucking foul language. It's so they don't like teach you this on like the Animal Planet channel. But anyway, and they're like, you blah blah blah, and they're squawking, and I'm like trying to give them a water bath, and they're just like, yeah, they won't have it, And and I try to change their bowl, right, their little silver dish, and they just like nod right through the bone on my finger. They were horrible. Anyway, I turned in my resignation yesterday for work, and so I'll be going to France, and that was really what I wanted to tell you guys, because that's a big moment. So I'll be leaving in November, and unfortunately I won't be working at the pet store anymore.